Hey everybody, so today's video is going to include some coding, playing around in Python and specifically with local large language models, so open source, in this case in particular Llama 3.1. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's not like a new thing. Other, smarter people have done it. But I was just curious what would happen, right, when I kind of set a bot in motion with a topic and tell it ask questions and then just have that loop and just have bots kind of talking to each other and see what happens, see where the conversation leads, see what they can accomplish if it gets weird. So yeah, just mainly just want to have fun and see what comes of that. So I built this. Created just a list of topics initially of basic stuff, just dogs, dinosaurs, dancing, whatever. Pick a random one of those and then prompted it that you are a chatbot who enjoys asking and answering questions. Please ask me a question about one of those things. And it was pretty cool. It was interesting to see where the conversations led because I really just had them go through like 6 rounds of back and forth. And so they would end up in some pretty interesting places from where they started. But for the most part, right, they just had a dialogue about that topic and kind of went from there. But then I decided, let's go full send and really push it. And so instead of just being a conversational chatbot, I said you were a genius prodigy in the medical field and love asking questions and providing answers. So, and in this case, let's do something worthy. Big problem, right? That maybe see if this thing can solve, see if it proves itself. Tell me how we are going to cure cancer and ask some questions about what we can do together, what I can do to help. So that's what I fed it, set it off, and here's what it did. So it was pretty cool. It got to the point where it's like giving resources to research papers, throwing out things around, AI, getting grants, microbiome dynamics. Even got to the point where it's like talking about CRISPR and genetic. Where did it say that? Epigenetic gene editing, and just a lot of great information and different ideas thrown out in here. It was pretty funny too. Like there's a couple moments where it's like, yeah, let's meet, let's set up virtual meetings and discuss when can we do that. Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. But what I found most interesting was actually in the first response from the, I guess, second bot, if you will. And my professional opinion on what I read is, I guess I could sum it up as, huh? Like what's going on here? And so basically, like I said, I trained it to take on a topic and then ask questions. And so what it asked was, are you interested in participating in clinical trials? Do you have any experience with medical writing, science communication, so on and so forth? And so the second bot responded with, yes, I have some experience in medical writing and science communication. In fact, I've authored several peer-reviewed articles on cutting-edge medical topics and have a passion for making complex scientific concepts accessible to broader audiences. When? Weren't you just born like a few milliseconds ago? When did you write all these articles that were peer-reviewed? Where did all this experience come from? Like, what's up with that? That's a little weird, right? I don't know. Just I guess I don't really have an opinion other than I'm a little, maybe a little concerned, but more just like, what? How did this happen? So feel free to share your opinions as well in the comments below. Send a like, a dislike. I don't mind. I don't care. But just thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.